Senior IPS officer Alok Kumar has been promoted to the rank of Director General of Police and appointed as the new head of the Department of Prisons and Correctional Services in Bengaluru. The state government issued the official order on Wednesday. According to the notification, Alok Kumar, who was serving as Additional Director General of Police Training, Bengaluru, has now been elevated to the DGP grade. The promotion is effective from 12 September 2025 and he has been assigned to his new post with immediate effect. The order further states that the position of DGP, Prisons and Correctional Services, Bengaluru is considered equivalent in rank and responsibility to the DGP, Criminal Investigation Department (CID). Additionally, B. Dayananda, who was serving as ADGP, Prisons and Correctional Services, Bengaluru, has been transferred with immediate effect. Until further orders, he has been posted as ADGP Training, Bengaluru.